Hello guys. Today in this video we are going to discuss one more experiment that can be designed at home, and very limited and simple materials can be used for this investigation. So I'll just share one animated GIF file that I have created with you so that you will get more idea about this experiment. So let me just share it with you. So yeah, so this is the overall setup that we need. Here you can see a plank at a certain height. So if you will see this plank fixed at a certain height, so this is the height of the plank that you have taken. Right, then the angle of inclination here you can see that is also one thing that you need to determine. So let's say the angle of inclination and of course the height that you considered. Okay, so these are the variables here we took, and then of course the length of the plank, here you can see the length of the plank. Okay, that is also one variable. Then you have the size of the ball, so the diameter of the ball, you can see the diameter of the ball, and also the mass of the ball, right? So these are the variables you can see. And what is the objective? The objective is to trace the path or the trajectory of the ball, right, from when it is released from this point and to this point when it reaches to the end of the plank, and then when it leaves the plank, and what is the trajectory basically, so that is what you want to study here. So as this is also one experiment that can be used using Tracker or your Vernier Pro or Logger Pro software, where you have the option for video analysis. So any video tracking software can actually be used here. Okay, so just take the ball and see the angle, keep the angle fixed, and the height here fixed, the length of the plank fixed. So these are, you can also vary the theta. It's up to you, like, if you want to take theta as a variable, but otherwise you can take all these things to be controlled variable, right? And then you can change the type of ball, like, I will keep the diameter as constant, and different mass of ball I can take, right? Or else some other materials also can be taken. Okay, so once you recorded with a mobile camera, or any camera you have, you just take the video of this event and then put it or upload it in the Tracker software, or as I said, Logger Pro software, where there is facility of video analysis. Then you will get all your coordinates, like, x and y positions with respect to time, the velocity of x and y at different time, so that at any point you can find out the velocity by just considering the x and y component. So that way you can do. And also acceleration at any point you can find out. So this will give you a clear picture of the trajectory that is followed. And second thing, if you want to compare it, like, further extension can also be done, or else you can include the same experiment, but a different case. Okay, for an extended essay if you want to do. So let me just share another um, animated picture with you. For example, this one, as you can see. So here also you can see, like, the object is different here. Actually, it's not a very heavy object I have considered. I have taken a paper roll. Actually, this black I made is actually a paper roll. Can be like, a chart paper or a simple A4 sheet. Okay, that is just rolled cylindrically, and don't distort it. Okay, and if you here also you can see, if you want to keep the diameter of the circle same as that of the ball, that also can be done. This diameter we said, okay, this you can keep same as that of the ball you consider, so that with the diameter also you can, like, compare. Okay, so the same thing, same, like, you can keep your height, like, fixed, and the angle of inclination here of the plank is fixed. Okay, then the same object is released on the plank, and then up to this, what is the path traced, and when it is released, you can easily see the path traced is completely different. And why this happens? For that, you need to explore the theory part of Magnus effect. Okay, or Magnus force, or what is lift force. Okay, all these things can be explored. and you can compare the trajectory of two different objects, okay, of same maybe radius or same mass. Like if you're taking two balls of same mass and different diameter, or same diameter different mass, and then you see what is the nature of the trajectory actually, okay, and how it varies with mass or shape or whatever, right? So this way you can do the same video analysis, put it in the tracker or the logger pro software, and then analyze it, okay. Hope you got the idea. Thank you.